industry-leading warranty with a 25-year history to back it up. Introducing the 2019 Jayco Eagle and Eagle HT travel trailers. Eagle's all-new interior design is fresh and stylish. The American Tradition decor features beautiful hand-glazed raised panel cabinetry with contrasting chocolate accents, while the all-new modern farmhouse mixes contemporary kitchen styling with highly usable custom furniture for a warm and welcoming home away from home. Both designs feature the industry-exclusive Helix Whisper Quiet cooling system, a dual-ducted central air conditioner designed to distribute air more quietly and efficiently than ever before. Eagle's exterior is as beautiful as it is safe. Jayco's new patent-pending J-Smart LED lighting alerts other travelers of your driving intentions. American-made Goodyear tires, Dexter axles, and a MORride suspension provide exceptional durability and ride quality. Jayco also has you covered for those long and remote trips with roof and A-frame mounted solar prep, extra battery storage, large pass-through storage, and optional auto leveling system designed to take the headache out of remote terrain. The 2019 Eagle and Eagle HT. Everything you want in a luxury travel trailer.